It's been 3 years since a bill to help police track down guns used in crimes was signed into law. However, a key requirement has yet to be completed before the legislation can go into effect. As News 34's Jamie DeLine tells us, some lawmakers are asking a state agency when the law can move forward.
Microstamping is a technology that places a stamp on the firing pin of a gun, and that imprints a unique code onto the shell casing.
New York has some of the toughest gun laws in the country, and a microstamping law passed back in 2022 was meant to further strengthen them.
So when a gun is fired, the shell casings are left on the ground, and they would have that unique code, so law enforcement could trace the origins of the gun.
The law, however, included a specific requirement that 6 months after the law was signed,
The Division of Criminal Justice Services, DCJS, would have had to investigate the viability of microstamping technology and certify it.
2.5 years later, Rosenthal says that hasn't been done. She and Senator Brad Hoylman Siegel recently sent a letter to DCJS asking the state agency to give an update to lawmakers on its plan to meet the requirement. They say had the deadline been met and microstamping deemed viable, new pistols sold in New York in 2024 would have had the technology. I asked the agency about the reasoning behind the delay. They didn't tell me why, but said, quote, DCJS is working with our partners in law enforcement and forensic science to conduct the required live fire testing of the technology. We remain committed to getting this right and continuing our nation-leading efforts to prevent and reduce gun violence. California's Attorney General released a report last month saying microstamping technology is viable.
I don't expect a different answer from our experts.
Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.